Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy Nest Duo not recording, motion detection and the storage troubleshooting. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so you just follow this video. First thing is guys, check the AI and the recording setting. So guys, Birdfy Birdhouse rely on the AI to categorize and save the clip to the story section. So first we check AI filtering. If there are no birds in the video, the AI might be filter the clip out and making it look like it not record at all. Okay, it did not record at all. Then guys, check the sensor location. The Nest Duo's motion sensor is on the exterior camera. If a bird sit inside the box without entering or existing, the motion sensor so may not trigger. Keep in mind that the Nest Duo has default cool down period of 2 minutes between triggered recordings. After that, verify your SD card storage. If you are storing the video locally, so ensure your micro SD card is properly inserted and recognized. So you simply go to the store manager in the Birdfy app to verify the store SD card status. If it is unrecognized, so reformat the card using the app. This will erase the data on the card. After that guys, a simple reboot can resolve hanging process or the connectivity issues, prevent the camera from detecting or saving the movement. So guys, you use the ejector pin or paper clip to press the reboot button next to the USB-C port for 10-11 seconds. Then press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn it back on. And ensure the camera is disconnected from any charger, solar panel during the reboot process. Okay, then optimize the placement and the Wi-Fi. So our fourth fix is optimize the placement and the Wi-Fi. If the camera is too far from your router, so it may fail to upload record clips to cloud. Then you move the Nest Duo closer to your router or install the Wi-Fi extender to improve the strength. Confirm that no solid wall or the metal object are obstructing the line of the site to your router. Then guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.